Shelby, and some people know me as Jazzy Rita, and you know me by my public persona. But what you didn't know is about 10 years ago, my sight was compromised. I was scrolling social media and I saw the graphic and then the video for Excel Laser Vision with Dr. Musa. So I'm like, Then they had a free consultation. So I'm like, I want to go in for the consultation. And I went in and the consultation really was free, like free. The offices were just beautiful and pristine. The staff was so friendly. And I sat in front of the most state-of-the-art equipment to do all these various scans of my eyes. So I'm like, am I a candidate for Lasik? It turns out I was a candidate. Then we talked about pricing, and they had flexible ways and terms in which you could pay for it. And I decided to get it. On the day of the surgery, I arrived. They said that it would only be about 15 minutes. So the staff checked me in, and it was everything that they said. Ever since that day, it's like I got a portion of my life back. I can see. When I look in the mirror in the morning, I don't see a blurry person looking back at me. I don't have to grab glasses or contacts just to see. There's no barrier between me and my sight. Having the Lasik procedure with Dr. Musa changed my life. This procedure is an option that if you are a candidate, it can and it will change your life.